Welcome to New York City, a global powerhouse of culture, business, and dreams. From the Empire State Building to Wall Street, NYC stands tall as the world's financial capital. Life here never stops. Yellow cabs, bustling streets, and a subway that keeps the city moving. Tourists flock to Central Park and Broadway, while locals savor iconic New York pizza and bagels. New York City isn't just a place, it's an experience, a true global city that inspires the world.